Do you ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of repetitive tasks?
Between typing scripts, recording audio, and editing videos, it's easy to get completely overwhelmed.
The fatigue of manual work is real, and it's keeping you from doing what you actually love.
But what if there was a way to automate the grind?
Introducing Google Flow.
It is a smart automation system designed to simplify complex digital tasks and turn them into seamless, automated workflows effortlessly.
Imagine a world where your script, voiceover, and images connect automatically. In this 3D workflow, write errors move forward, linking every step of your production process. As the system completes the process, you can sit back and relax.
Alex looks on with a confident smile as the automation does the heavy lifting.
Let's compare. On the left, manual work is cluttered and exhausting, full of slow steps. But on the right, Google Flow offers a streamlined, automated path. Think about creating a YouTube video. Your ideas, scripts, and visuals are orchestrated perfectly through a detailed 3D pipeline that connects everything automatically.
It's so efficient that even the most complex projects become simple. Alex reacts with a surprised and impressed expression as the final video file appears.
Getting started is easy.
First, choose your task and connect your tools. Then, create the order of operations to define how the workflow should run. Finally, just hit the run button.
Watch as the workflow pulses with energy and starts moving automatically, completing hours of work in just seconds.
Who is this for? Everyone, from students and small business owners to content creators and developers. Google Flow adapts to your unique needs.
The benefits are clear.
You save time, reduce manual effort, avoid common mistakes, and most importantly, you significantly increase your daily productivity.
Now, Alex looks relaxed and highly confident, ready to take on bigger challenges without the stress of the small stuff.
Welcome to the future of automation. Start using Google Flow today and reclaim your time for what matters most.
The possibilities are endless.